Well, good morning. I'm John Hassell, the lake guy with Monroe Realtors, and this morning I'd like to show you one of my listings I've got out here in Kaufman. Yeah, I know it's not the lake, but it has a pond, and it's a really, really nice house out here in the country on a little over an acre. Got about a half-acre pond it shares with a neighbor. New build home back in February, just completed. But anyway, this is a great place. You want to get out of the city, need to get away from the crowds. Oh man, this is nice. So let's take a look. Well, let's start out looking at the subdivision. Now here's your street that the house is on. See, it's undeveloped down there. All these are beautiful brick homes, HOAs, only $250 a year. But yeah, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And here's your house. Sun's in our eyes this morning, so it'll be a little hard to see maybe. Brick home built and completed in February of this year. Really nice, oversized garage, 620 square feet, open floor concept. This was a builder showcase home, so it's got all the extras you'd expect. And here's this pond. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, hey, owners poured additional patio just so you can sit out there in the afternoons and look over it. Beautiful, beautiful country setting. Really, really, really nice. J Drive. Already got the yard in, sprinkler system. Really, really nice. Well, let's go around and take a look at the back. Well, now we're in the back and you can see your neighbors. You can see that fence that runs across there. That's on Highway 34. Isn't that pretty? House is elevated a little bit. There's that pond. Nice elevation. Here's the patio that they had poured. Got additional patio, additional driveways poured also for parking cars. Big, beautiful patio outside. Yeah, this is a gorgeous house. Separate bathrooms, bedrooms, big island. We'll go inside and take a look at that in a few minutes, but just take a look at that. Property runs all the way around to about the middle all the way across. It's on 1.7 acres. So it's pretty interesting. All right, we just came inside. And look what you've got. Great open kitchen, living area. Yeah, I know the furniture is a little large in here. Takes up some room. Beautiful counter here. Island, room for 4 bar stools if you'd like. Great subway backsplash. All custom cabinets. Pantry's right there. Range top, vent hood there, 2 bedrooms back there. Yeah, look at that. Nice fireplace. Master's back over here as we came in. Got a big window looking out to the outside. Dining area, oven, microwave, coffee bar. Now if you'll notice the crown molding runs pretty much throughout the house, and the tile looks like wood, but it is ceramic. And you've got 2 bedrooms back this way, hall bath, and like I said, a laundry room. Come around to the owner's suite. Now the owner's suite is a little bit larger than most. Got quite a bit of room in here. Big king size bed. Nice open window to the backyard. Come around into this great master. His and hers vessel sinks. Notice again the crown molding. Full walk-in closet. Great walk-in shower. Oh my heavens. This is to die for. And of course, your jacuzzi tub. Take a quick look at the office. So you're going to work from home and you can do it in style. You can open those doors up, keep them closed. Great room. Works out really well. Well, here you have it. Builder showcase, upgrades, all custom cabinetry, hard surface countertops, which run throughout the house, by the way. Just a great home. Great lighting.
Been way too long on this one.
Well, if you'd like some more information about this home or living in the country in general, because like I say, we sell a lot of land, especially homes on acreage. Yeah, you can't beat it. If you'd like information about this home, please give me a call. My information is below. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.